you're experiencing an installation loop error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart the console. Begin by completely powering off your Nintendo Switch. Hold down the power button for about 15 seconds until the console shuts down. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the system settings from the home screen. Scroll down to System and select System Update. Ensure your console is updated to the latest firmware, as updates can resolve many installation issues. Step 3. Clear cache. Go to System Settings, then select System. Scroll down and choose Formatting Options and select Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the installation loop without deleting your saved data. Step 4. Reinsert the game card. If you're using a physical game card, remove it from the console and inspect it for any dirt or damage. Clean the contacts gently with a soft, dry cloth, then reinsert the card and try launching the game again. Step 5. Factory reset last resort. If none of the previous steps work, consider performing a factory reset. Go to System Settings, select System, then Formatting Options, and choose Initialize Console. This will erase all data, so ensure you back up any important information before proceeding. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop error 2025 on your Nintendo Switch. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.